Hey everybody, I just wanted to share that I got our first order from Modern Dog. Came in this cute little box. I bought both of my Cane Corsos walk kits, and the walk kits came with, so cute. Ooh, we can buy more stuff. Came with 2 of our leashes in a cute little Modern Dog bag.
Which we love.
Which we love. And the first pattern we bought, ooh, this is a really nice material, and it's a good flat leash, which is great. We do a lot of training with our flat leashes. Nice heavy duty, cute double-sided material pattern. It has 2 of the eye clasps, long walk, short walk leashes. Super cute. That's our peach pattern. It's going to go to Arcata. And this, I forget exactly what this pattern was called, but it's kind of like a black with green, like cheetah print.
Yeah.
Super cute. And then here are our harnesses. Ooh, these are so beautiful. Nice, breathable material. This is our extra large that we bought for our Zelda. It's going to be nice and lightweight on her. Nice durable clasps.
And that one says Zelda too, don't it? Right there.
Has the eye hook on the top. Super, super cute. Love the material. And then here is the matching
Kata.
peach
That.
kit. Same eye hook. Great. I love these harnesses. They're super, super fun. They're going to be great fitting for my dogs. Ours were just too bulky, heavy. They didn't fit right. These are going to be perfect. As soon as I get some pictures with them on our dogs, I will be sure to post that too. Thanks. Have a great day.